Are you looking to earn a passive income? Have you considered transforming your property into an additional source of earnings? If these questions pique your interest, keep watching to discover how you can make money through Airbnb hosting. Yes, you heard it right. Airbnb can turn your property into a gold mine. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, ensure you subscribe to the Elite Economizer to stay updated with all financial freedom. So, you're thinking about becoming an Airbnb host, but where should you begin? It's crucial to set clear goals from the outset. What are your expectations for your Airbnb listing? Is it a side gig or your primary source of income? Are you comfortable welcoming strangers into your home? How much time can you dedicate to managing your listing? Are you ready to invest in your property's essentials? Is your neighborhood safe for tourists, or does your city attract visitors? Success on Airbnb begins with a clear vision. Your goals will shape your journey and influence the level of commitment you need. Before diving into Airbnb ownership, let's explore the rewards and obstacles. A well-managed Airbnb property can outperform traditional long-term rentals. You have control over pricing, and many hosts earn significantly more. Research is your best friend. Location and demand play a pivotal role in your earnings. Dive into your local market to understand your potential. Be aware of local laws and regulations. You may need permits and should account for Airbnb's 3% booking fee. High-quality furnishings, amenities, and a well-stocked kitchen can elevate your property. Impress your guests to secure more bookings. Ensure your venture. Consider short-term rental insurance and read the fine print. Airbnb provides liability coverage but with limitations. Expect maintenance and cleaning. Consider hiring help to maintain a pristine property. Building a strong reputation takes time. Don't expect instant success. Higher ratings lead to more bookings. Be prepared for fluctuations in bookings. You might need to adjust pricing during slow periods. Airbnb ownership isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey with its rewards and challenges. To become a profitable Airbnb host, you need a solid business plan. Follow these steps. Evaluate the market. Identify your unique selling points. Develop your marketing strategy. Decide on your management structure. Create an operations plan. Build a comprehensive financial plan. Your business plan is your roadmap to Airbnb success. Don't skip this step. Once you have your business plan, it's time to set your prices. Start with these steps. Research your local market. Identify what makes your property unique. Develop a marketing strategy. Plan your management structure. Create a comprehensive financial plan. Pricing is critical. Understand your property's value and market trends. Your Airbnb listing is your storefront. Make it stand out. Craft an enticing title. Write a clear, concise description. Know your target audience. Use high-quality photos. Match words with images. Be creative but genuine. Avoid overhyping your property. Your listing is your first impression. Make it count. Attracting guests is the key to maximizing your Airbnb earnings. Here's how you can make your property stand out and keep those bookings flowing. Your property's unique features are your best assets. Highlight them in your listing. Whether it's a stunning view, a fully equipped kitchen, or proximity to attractions, let potential guests know why your property is a must-visit. Timely and clear communication with guests can set you apart. Answer inquiries promptly and professionally. A host who communicates well builds trust and increases the chances of getting booked. Find the sweet spot for pricing. Don't underprice, but don't overprice either. Monitor your local competition and adjust your rates as needed. Consider offering special rates during peak seasons or for longer stays. Go the extra mile for your guests. Provide a warm welcome, offer local tips, and ensure your property is clean and well-maintained. Happy guests often become returning guests and recommend your place to others. Succeeding on Airbnb means attracting guests, so make your property irresistible and your hosting exceptional. Booking and guest experiences can make or break your Airbnb venture. Here's how to ensure every guest has a memorable stay. Make the check-in and check-out process as smooth as possible. Provide clear instructions, perhaps a digital guidebook, and be available for any questions. A hassle-free experience leaves a lasting positive impression. Encourage guests to leave reviews. Positive reviews build trust and attract more bookings. Respond to reviews professionally, addressing both praise and concerns. Your responsiveness shows commitment. Ensure your property is safe and secure for guests. Install smoke detectors, provide emergency information, and keep your property in good condition. A secure environment is a top priority for travelers. Consider the amenities that matter to your target audience. Wi-Fi, streaming services, a well-stocked kitchen, and comfortable furnishings enhance the guest experience. Happy guests are more likely to return and recommend your property. A seamless experience from booking to checkout is the hallmark of a successful Airbnb host. The Airbnb market is dynamic and competitive. To stay ahead, you need to adapt and innovate. Here's how to keep your edge. Stay updated with the latest Airbnb trends and best practices. Attend webinars, read host communities, and keep an eye on what your competitors are doing. Continuous learning keeps your hosting fresh and exciting. Think outside the box. Consider offering unique experiences alongside your property, such as guided tours or cooking classes. These extras can set you apart and attract travelers looking for more than just a place to stay. Connect with other hosts and explore collaboration opportunities. Co-hosting can be a lucrative side gig where you help manage other hosts' properties. It's a win-win situation for all involved. The Airbnb market has evolved. If you notice shifts in demand, consider adjusting your strategy. Maybe your property could cater to remote workers, digital nomads, or extended stay travelers. Flexibility can be a game changer. To thrive in the Airbnb market, adapt, learn, and explore new horizons. Being an Airbnb host isn't always smooth sailing. Challenges and unforeseen situations can arise. Here's how to handle them like a pro. Define clear cancellation policies from the beginning. Airbnb offers flexible, moderate, and strict policies. Choose one that aligns with your needs and communicate it clearly to guests. Have an emergency plan in place. Know how to respond to unforeseen events like power outages, natural disasters, or medical emergencies. Communicate emergency procedures to your guests. Conflicts with guests can happen. Stay calm and professional. Airbnb has a resolution center to help mediate disputes. Document your interactions and be honest in your communication. Keep an eye on local regulations. Laws regarding short-term rentals can change. Comply with your area's laws and regulations and be prepared for potential inspections. Challenges are part of the journey, but with the right approach, you can handle them gracefully. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth journey into the world of Airbnb hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Your journey to Airbnb success starts here.